Hi, I'm attorney Rick Banks of the Law Offices of Rick Banks and the author of the book Win Your Divorce: Financially, Emotionally, and Socially. When it comes to fathers' rights, dads are often left out in the cold because they don't know that they have equal rights, or they don't insist on enforcing those equal rights. In cases of child custody, courts have in the past oftentimes favored the mothers over the fathers, even though the mother might be less capable of parenting the children. Fathers often pay a disproportionate share of child support and child-related expenses, even though they may not get to spend much time with their kids. So what are fathers' rights? Simply put, it's a father's right to have and spend time with their children and be a part of their children's lives, involving schooling and other decisions in the rearing of the children. Fathers have a right to be a part of the day-to-day decisions regarding the children and be a part of their lives as well. And even though most of the time it's the father paying child support, oftentimes fathers don't know that they might be entitled to actually receive child support if they're spending more time with the kids. Fathers have a right to spend time with their children without interference, which is often a big problem with divorce or separation. Fathers have a right to have an ongoing relationship with their children, which is in the best interest of the kids. When it comes to custody and visitation, oftentimes that means reaching a compromise with the mother, which may require the help of a third-party mediator to reach an agreement that's acceptable to both parents. When the reality of a separation hits, oftentimes there's unexpected words or actions that leave the parties upset and overwhelmed. Emotions start running high. On my website, I have a list of do's and don'ts that are extremely important to review because those kinds of things can make or break your case. There's a lot of additional information about the divorce process and fathers' rights on my website, www.centralvalleylaw.com. So I'd encourage you to look around and look at that information. However, if you're already in the middle of a divorce, I've authored a book called Win Your Divorce: Financially, Emotionally, and Socially that gives a lot of information that may answer a lot of your questions. In the meantime, if you'd like a consultation, just give me a call and we'll get you in just as soon as possible. Thank you.